In terms of vehicle design, Leapmotor T03, which adopts both agile and technologically curved technological aesthetic design, has a highly recognizable, smiling curved front face and functional cat's eye headlights. The rolling body stance gives the car a cute and adorable look. Inside, the entire series is equipped with a 10.1-inch large central control LCD screen plus 8-inch LCD instrument panel as standard. The colorful interior made of high-quality materials with contrasting colors, combined with the equally beautiful and pleasant interior design style, makes people really feel that it is difficult to find a car to match. But the beautiful design is only appetizing. Considering that consumers have certain demands on vehicle space in general, we may see the Leapmo T03 with a 5-door design. The body length, width and height reach 3,620 by 1,652 by 1,605 mm respectively, and the wheelbase is 2,400 mm long, which is almost equivalent to the space performance of a Class A car. On the other hand, other pure electric vehicles in the same price range mostly consist of 2-door designs. In addition to the good appearance and large space of Leapmotor T03, its configuration performance as a pure electric car with a guide price of only 59,900 to 99,500 yuan is also frighteningly high among models in the same class. It is equipped with LCDs, large screens, rear-view displays and intelligent voice control systems as standard, as well as more than 10 assistance functions, including automatic parking functions and L2-level intelligent driving assistance systems, which include 14 detection equipment, even on top-end models. Greatly improved driving safety. Finally, in terms of vehicle performance, Leapmotor T03 offers a total of 3 versions and a total of 5 models to choose from. Among them, the engine equipped with the 200 Light Enjoyment Edition can produce a maximum power of 40 kilowatts, and the CLTC Pure Electric cruising range can reach 200 kilometers. Engines equipped with the 310 Light Enjoyment Edition and 310 Fenxiang Edition can produce a maximum power of 40 kilowatts. 55 kilowatts and CLTC Pure Electric cruising range reaches 310 kilometers. The engines equipped with the 403 Light Enjoyment Edition and 403 Smart Enjoyment Edition can produce a maximum power of 80 kilowatts and the CLTC Pure Electric cruising range reaches 403 kilometers. At the same time, all models of the vehicle support fast charging, and in fast charging mode it only takes more than half an hour to charge the battery up to 80%.